I recently arrived in Calgary, which is a city in the Canadian province of Alberta. The city has been consistently recognized for its high quality of life. In 2009, The Economist even ranked Calgary the most livable city in Canada. No wonder some of my Nigerian brothers and sisters have made Calgary their home. The city only has 1.3 million inhabitants, tiny compared to the population of my home city of Lagos, which has over 18 million inhabitants. The province of Alberta is Canada's largest oil and natural gas producer, FYI. When I stayed in Calgary, I stayed in the downtown area, which is a busy retail and business heart of the city, centered around the Calgary Tower. The tower is no doubt the touristic highlight whose views span the entire city. The downtown area of Calgary contains the second largest concentration of head offices in Canada. The area is also home to a Chinese cultural center in Chinatown and an entertainment district. For the duration of my stay, I stayed at the Homewood Suites by Hilton, which cost me 365 Canadian dollars a night. Hi guys, so first of all, I would say that the Homewood Suites by Hilton was designed in a way whereby you feel like you're still at home. So they've designed a comfortable space where you can work, you can play, and you can live, and you're going to see exactly why. So I'm going to definitely take the different sections of the room. The suite has a kitchen area, it has a working desk area, it has a living area, it has a bedroom area, it has a bathroom area too. So I'm going to take each one. So first of all, once you enter here, to my right here is the kitchen, right? So this is the kitchen at the Homewood Suites Hotel. And essentially here, you have a fridge. This fridge is bigger than the fridge I have back home in Lagos. And it's essentially like super huge. So you can put anything you want in there, like really huge, and also a huge freezer. In terms of facilities that you have, there's a countertop here where you can cook, here a dishwasher where you can wash all your dishes if you want to. There's also a GE microwave. Canadians like things that are big, that's what I can say. They're here. And there's an ice bucket here, a lot of cupboards right there. And in the cupboards, there are cutlery, cups. You can literally cook your own dish and everything you want here. And there's a huge sink right here. So I love this countertop. Like, it's very nice. And I love this backdrop here too. So very well designed, to be honest. Essentially, the way I see this kitchen is in a way whereby they want you to feel at home. So I would recommend staying here, especially if you have kids and you want to stay longer and cook your own meals and not go out to eat so much. And also below the sink, there are proper pots and pans. They even have liquid soap so you can wash your dishes if you want to wash it by hand, and a bin right there. So everything to make you feel at home. What I particularly love and wasn't expecting is that at the Homewood Suites, they have a daily menu, and the daily menu included in the $365 that I paid, you get a complimentary breakfast and dinner every night, right? So even if you don't want to cook, there is something there every night, and that changes every day. So this is the October menu where they've had, what's going to be, I don't know what I'm having today, but yeah, it's all there. And I also love this. Here is basically them giving you a shopping list if you want them to go shop for you. They'll go and buy the items for you, basically. Obviously for a charge, but same day delivery. That is super cool. cool and amazing. So essentially, yes, that is the kitchen. I love it. It's like a proper full-fledged kitchen. There's nothing I would really change here. I think everything is perfect. I particularly like the flooring. The flooring is very nice. And I love the fact that the flooring changes when you go into the desk area. So it's like a completely different sort of section, and it's a great demarcation. So let's talk about here, the desk. This is essentially your office space. It's not the largest office space, but it's sufficient, right? It has a chair where you can sort of like swirl around, has all that. Has a nice countertop where your laptop fits. And also some of the items from the kitchen also flow into here, because there is a toaster, so you can toast your bread. There is a coffee making machine right there. There's a kettle right there in that section there too. And they have already stocked everything. So you have your, creamer, your teas and everything. And this is like restocked daily, which I love, right? And also by your desk, they already made sort of availability for your plug, so you can plug in items there. And I also love the fact that it has a lamp here, so you can easily switch that on or off when you want to work, which is amazing. So yes, that's it for the office space. That's the bedroom, and here is the living space. I'm going to talk about the living space first. I particularly love this living space because it's perfect for you to actually invite your friends over if you're visiting, and they can sit comfortably there. It's like a 3-seater sofa with 2 beautiful lamps on each side that I really like. It's still the same rug as in the desk space, your office space, which I like too. And I love this wooden table right here, which is very, very lovely. A lot of thought and design that went into designing this room because I particularly love it. And just by the desk space is a chest of drawers, which basically has a lot of space where you can put a lot of your things. It's amazing. But can we talk about this beautiful view? Look at this view, guys. Look at how big, massive this window space is. Like, this window space is incredible. Yes. So now to the main section, which is a bedroom, right? So you have a huge, I think it's a queen bed right here that has 2 lamps on each side, has 2 drawers on each side too. Extremely comfortable. Like, I've had a great night's sleep since I've been here. And what I like in particular about the bed also is that just right there, there's a TV, and the TV basically can swivel. So if you wanted to face your bed, it can face your bed. If you wanted to face the living space, it can face the living space, which I think is very, very cool. Very, very cool. So that is it for the bedroom. Yes, but I love the lamps. They're super cute. Really, really cute lamps there. I'm going to show you guys the bathroom is sort of like 2 different sections. The flooring changes from the rug to this tiles, which sort of gives the demarcation that it's a different room. And what I love in particular is that this is this section right here, right? It's like a mini section. I'm going to close this door so you guys can see how the spaces have been demarcated. So if I turn around, here is the wardrobe. Here is the door for the toilet and shower, and here is the sink. So the sink section here is not actually with the shower and the toilet, which I like in particular, because 2 people can use different parts at the same time. I particularly love this beautiful mirror right here that has the lighting feature at the back. And I love the fact that it provided with nice products. They have Neutrogena products here, which is a brand I particularly love in the UK and use a lot when I'm in the UK. So they have a body lotion, they have a shampoo, they have a soap, another soap here, and a little tissue holder there. I particularly love the fact that the surface that they use here is very high quality. The sink, the taps, just looks quality, which is something I love a lot. And right below the sink, there is sort of like a drawer space where you can put things here, and there are little sections for putting your towels, and I put my bag down there. Overall, just very, very nice. So I'm right opposite the sink space is the wardrobe. And the wardrobe, double door wardrobe, I love. I've already emptied all my clothes, something I like to do once I arrive because it just makes, seeing what you want to wear easier. What they did is they gave me extra blankets and pillows if I need it there, because it gets very, very cold. And there were some hangers in here already, so I could use those. There's an iron right there. There's an ironing board. There's also a stand right here for my suitcase. But overall, very like useful space, like a lot of space. I could do with more hangers, something I'm sure I can ask them for if I wanted. But yes, I love the space. Like, it works. And the fact that it just sections away is something I love too. But guys, can we just look at this view from here again? Like, how stunning is this view? Like, stunning. So now I'm gonna go show you guys the final part of the suite at the Homewood Suites by Hilton, and it's the toilet. And here we have a full-length shower. So like a double, is it the sliding door shower right here? There is no bath, which would have been nice, to be honest, to have, given it's a suite, but I don't use baths anyway that much, but it's just nice to have it, right? And here on the side is a nice feature for the wall for you to place items on, and the toilet. So very simple, extremely clean. But yeah, that's pretty much the toilet. Let me try and see if I close the door so you can see, to get a sense of the size. Oh, right there. So this is it. And there's some, of course, some hooks to hang your bathrobe right there. So guys, I thought I'll quickly share my thoughts in terms of my impressions of the Homewood Suites by Hilton. I like the concept of having a place whereby it feels like home, and I've really felt at home here. It's just been super comfortable, as in I can work, I can relax, I can watch my Netflix, and I don't feel like I'm stuck in my room. I feel like I'm stuck in an apartment, which is, I think, what the idea was. Is it expensive? I'm sure. Different times of the year, the prices change. And I guess it's probably typically maybe more expensive than the norm of what you can find in Calgary. But in particular, I really, really love this place. I love the fact that your breakfast and your dinner options are included in the pricing. I like the fact that they have a great gym. Like the fact they have a swimming pool too, actually. But overall, it's actually really, really lovely. Like, I've been super, super impressed staying here. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. There's also a fan. I don't know why they'll use a fan here, given how cold Calgary is. Yeah, Calgary is super cold, guys. Overall, I really loved it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this room tour. And if you're not following me on Instagram, you guys should follow me. I'm trying to get to 20,000 followers very soon. So I would love it if you join the family. Thank you so much. Like, leave me a comment on what you thought about the room. Do you think it's worth it, or do you think it's too expensive? And what was your best feature in the room? Let me know. Bye.